Welcome to my YouTube channel. You can call me the Edgerunner. In today's video, I will be discussing the current USD CAD trade and demonstrating how I approach the targets that I discussed in my previous video. So, let's begin. Today I observed that despite the recent strength of the dollar index, the USD CAD pair experienced a substantial decline. This created a large LG target in the 5-minute chart and above. However, the decline magically stopped just before reaching the LP target after hitting the average daily range, which caught my attention. There was then a brief period of consolidation before the attack on the LP target took place, offering an opportunity for a substantial profit of 10 pips or more. Several factors made me confident in this trade, including the stable dollar index, which showed no significant weakness, the reaching of the average daily range, breaking of the LP target, and a nice LG target. So I calculated the risk and waited until the price entered the LP zone. As we breached out of the range, we now dive into the LP zone, placing our initial trade. The price may continue to dip, but I remain unfazed as I never fire all my ammo at once. Meanwhile, the dollar index is consolidating and gearing up to reach the target above. A strengthening dollar equates to a robust currency, and that leads to an increase in the value of the dollar in most dollar-paired currency pairs, including the USD CAD pair, which we are currently focusing on in this video. Let's return to our USD CAD trade. We're gradually moving upwards and closing the bulk of the position once we reach a 15-pip profit. The remaining position will be left to run with a break-even stop set. If it continues to perform, great. If not, it's not a concern. The rest of the position was stopped out, and we ended up with a nice profit of around $700. Not bad for a day, considering that this was only a 15-pip move. Remember, you don't need big moves to make good gains when you know how to trade. In conclusion, it is evident that proper trade entries and effective money management are crucial factors in determining success in the markets. Incorporating intelligent money management strategies can significantly enhance a trader's chances of success and help them achieve their financial goals. We will delve further into this topic in our upcoming discussions. Finally, I would like to show you an overall view of the setup to give you an example of how I see the market. An hourly chart is excellent for overall analysis and view, as it usually provides an instant insight into what is currently happening in the market. After the market hit the LP target on February 6th, a downtrend began with lower lows and lower highs, until suddenly on February 9th, a reversal took place, and no new low was formed. Instead, we rose to attack the LP target from February 7th in order to stop out traders who had hoped for a continuation of the downtrend. Once this was done, we rapidly fell back to our aforementioned LP target from February 8th. Why didn't I take the low from February 9th? It's quite simple, because it was an inside low. There was no higher high before. In conclusion, it is advisable to proceed with caution, as low liquidity is anticipated. Taking a cautious approach is always preferable. You want to avoid managing the trade for an unnecessarily long period of time, as excessive stress can result in poor decision-making. Our goal is to minimize this as much as possible. That brings us to the end of our discussion on this topic. I hope you found it informative and useful. Remember, staying informed and constantly educating yourself is crucial for success in the markets. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next session. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more. Until next time, always on the hunt for the edge.